Hi everybody, this is my MacKenzie-Childs 2020 online barn sale unboxing video. This is the first time they've ever done the barn sale online, and I am pleasantly surprised with all of my purchases. So if you stick around, you can see me unbox everything, and I'll kind of go over each item that I purchased. So this is actually my first barn sale, so I'm really excited to share with you guys because I was really happy with the quality of everything that I received. I know that a lot of times the barn sale is secondhand items and items with flaws, but everything I received was almost in perfect condition. So this first item is the large Courtly Check casser bowl, and I'm just inspecting it. The only issue I found with it was a little small chip in the enamel, and you can see it in that picture down at the bottom. That was the only issue I found with that. I mean, the Courtly Check looks great. This next item I'm opening is the Flower Market travel mug, and I didn't see any issues with it. This was one of the products you had to buy two of, so I actually have two of those. The next thing I am opening up is the Courtly Check recipe box, and it actually comes with recipe cards and sorters. I didn't realize it came with recipe cards and actually bought 2 more packs of recipe cards. So I'm definitely set when it comes to the recipe cards. But I was really happy with this box. I didn't see any chips in the enamel. The only thing is maybe there's a little more blue in it. I don't know. I don't see anything wrong with it though. I was really happy with it. This next item is the Courtly Check butter dish. Again, something I've really wanted for a long time and saw it on sale at the barn sale and just had to have it. Obviously, I am a Courtly Check addict. My whole kitchen is pretty much in Courtly Check. I didn't see any issues with this. Very happy with the quality of it. This next box is the Evergreen Enameled Tea Kettle. It's part of their Evergreen Holiday Collection. I'm really excited about this one. I currently have a Courtly Check tea kettle that I keep on my stove all the time. So this will just be fun during the holidays to change out, and it'll just be a nice added touch. Like I said, my entire kitchen is in Courtly Check, and I like that it has a little bit of the check at the bottom. I believe that's an applique. So this is another item that I'm really happy with. I love the little knob on top. I think it's really cute, and I can't wait to use it this holiday season in my kitchen. So these are just some oven mitts that I received, and I'll show you those at the end. And then I have another Flower Market travel mug. Like I said, you had to purchase 2 of those. I'm not sure why, but I have 2 of those. I'll gift one of those out. And then I also have a set of koozies I had to purchase. They come in 2 packs, and I had to purchase 2 of those, so I have 4 of those. So I'll also probably gift those out. So this next thing is something that I've probably had in my cart 3 or 4 times, and I just never followed through and bought it. But I'm glad I ended up waiting until the barn sale because I ended up getting it for $29, and I think it's so cute. It's a set of 4 stacked mugs that makes a little snowman, and that's, again, something I can't wait to use this holiday season. So these next 2 boxes are going to be vinyl floor mats. I got a 2x3 and a 2x8, I believe it is. and they're the Courtly Check vinyl kitchen mats. I think they're called utility mats. And I'm wondering if they maybe source these out because that box says theartworkfactory.com. But both of these looked really good. I only unrolled the 2x3. We are currently in the middle of redoing our kitchen. Actually, we're getting all new cabinets. So I'm just going to keep that rolled up until we're ready to use them. And on top of that, we have a puppy, and I don't want them to get chewed up yet. So I'm just going to keep those rolled up until I'm ready to use them. So here's just an overview of everything I got except the vinyl floor mats. I still have a couple things that should be coming in the mail anytime. Some dish towels and an evergreen bowl. I was really happy with the online barn sale. I've never been able to go to the actual barn sale because I live so far away. So it was a nice option to be able to shop online, and I really hope that they do it again. And if you made it this far, thank you for watching.